1893, the World's Columbian Exposition, a gathering of the greatest technological feats the world had ever seen. But one exhibit stood out above the rest, the floating city of Columbia. The result of the inexhaustible determination and vision of one man, Zachary Comstock.
And the Lord saw the wickedness of man was great, and he repented he had made man on the earth.
A self-proclaimed prophet who championed the founding fathers of America with an almost religious fervor. For a time, Columbia was the pride of the United States, but tension with the new McKinley administration was building. In 1901, that tension boiled over as Columbia, against the United States' wishes, put a violent end to the Boxer Rebellion in Peking, China. Congress demanded Columbia's immediate return to sovereign soil. Instead, the city seceded from the Union. In March of 1981, a mysterious building was found high in the Alps, a building that had fallen out of the sky. Inside, a treasure trove of Columbian artifacts, many of which may hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of Columbia, and others that raise new and troubling questions. What caused Columbia's secession? Where did it disappear to all those years ago? And most importantly, where is the rest of the city? Join us as we attempt to separate truth from legend.